Alright, exponents are going to have a few different properties that we're going to take a look at. The first being when you're multiplying exponential expressions. So that's the first rule we're going to look at. So a few things to note about this rule is you'll notice that the base, the bottom number for each of these, is going to be the same. So in this case, we're just using an x. So this applies only when you have the same base. If you have different bases, you will not be able to use this rule. So same base right here, both of them being an x. When we have the same base numbers being multiplied to some exponent, what we can do is we can add those exponents. So same bases, adding those exponents once we have multiplication in between them. So your final answer will be your base stays the same, so x is still there, and then your new exponent will be a plus b. Because that's the general form for it. Let's take a look at an actual example. The actual example we have right here is 4 to the third power times 4 to the second power. So as you can imagine, you wanted to write that out. You would have 4 times 4 times 4 for 4 to the third, and you're multiplying that by 4 times 4. So really what you have right here is you have 4 times 4 times 4 multiplied with 4 times 4. So as you can see, you have 5 4s right there. So this is just proof that this will hold true. So again, same bases, 4s are the same base, your powers being multiplied, so you're just going to add those powers together. So just like this suggests, we have 4 to the 5th power. Okay, so taking a look at some of these other examples, again, we just went over this one, and if you wanted to check that standard form in your calculator, just as a reminder, you would type in your base number, find your exponent key, and then in this case our exponent is 5. So that's where we get the 1024. So for this next one, we have the same base. Our base is going to be 3. So this will only apply when we have the same base, which you do for all of these problems in this section. Our base is 3. We are multiplying, so that means we can add our exponents together. 2 plus 4 gives us a 6. Alright, so again, going back to the calculator, what I have is I have 3 to the 6th power. Okay, so 729 will be our standard form. Alright, so go ahead with the person sitting next to you. Try these independently. Make sure that you guys get the same answer. We'll come back real quick in just a couple minutes and we're going to check those over.